Hello and welcome to another amazing adventure with J&M Odysseys. Today we will be touring our deluxe Oceanview stateroom aboard the Disney Wish. We were on deck 2 and our room number was 2128. Let's take a closer look. As we entered the room, you can see that it was very cozy, but it fit the four of us well for the time that we spent in it. On either side of the bed there's a nightstand with convenient USB ports and outlets. There were lights over the nightstands and behind the headboard. The bed is a queen size and it was pretty comfortable. On the bed you will see a blanket embroidered with the Wish logo. As we move to the rest of the room, you will see how it is set up during the day, with the couch across from the desk and mirror. Through the porthole, you can see our lovely view of the port. At the foot of the bed is the TV, and Disney always likes to make you feel welcome with a message for your family. This room comes with two bathrooms. The first has a shower. The water pressure was great, but it was not quite built for taller people. I am 6'4" and I had to duck to use the shower. One thing that was definitely not lacking in the room was the amount of storage. There was plenty of room for all the things that we would need for our 3-day cruise, including costumes as it was Halloween on the high seas. In the other bathroom you will find the throne, a sink, and a trash bin. Here's a better look at the desk. The refrigerator is disguised as a cabinet. We always try to do a little door decorating. Here you can see our magnets. Let's take a look at the room set up for the evening. This night there was a little surprise left for us when we got back to the room. A Towel Zero from Nightmare Before Christmas and some chocolate. Be sure to subscribe to find out what was in the bag. Here's the bed set up for the kids. The top bunk drops from the ceiling and the bottom bunk is converted from the couch. Our 3-year-old stays on the bottom bunk, so we have them put in a bed rail. You can ask for it in your special request up to 36 hours before the cruise departs. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more adventures from J&M Odysseys.